This is a review for a two-room apartment in a new building in Batumi, Georgia. The apartment is located on a new boulevard near Maria and Lech Kaczynski Park and Metro City, just 2 minutes walk from the sea. The apartment is on the 14th floor and its total area is 48 square meters. I will announce the price at the end of the video. The apartment offers a beautiful view to the mountains and a tangerine garden. The windows are facing private houses. Due to what, the view won't be obstructed by newly erected buildings. At night, when the city sparkles with thousands of lights, you will enjoy an awesome view. If you cherish calm and quiet atmosphere, then this apartment is exactly for you. There is no intensive road traffic, noisy bars and restaurants under the windows. The apartment, due to its location, is naturally protected from the strong winds and heavy rains coming from Turkey side. All necessary infrastructure and public transport are within walking distance. Nearby there are numerous supermarkets, bakeries, school, gyms, swimming pool, spa, casinos, and just around 2 meters far there is a marvelous recreation park named after Lech and Maria Kaczynski with a well-equipped children's playground. The seaside promenade is also nearby. The apartment has been renovated to a high standard using expensive high-quality materials. The apartment is being sold furnished and with all necessary home appliances. All household appliances are new. The kitchen is equipped with gas cooktop and an electric oven, integrated extractor hood and a fridge. The kitchen provides maximum functionality due to various storage systems, pull-out drawers, numerous shelves. The kitchen also has an island bar with 2 hangout spotlights. The tabletop goes with integrated sockets and switches, providing 2 modes of lighting. The kitchen is also equipped with high-quality fittings and the gas lifts. The bedroom has one big double-sized bed with 160 cm wide mattress. On either side of the bed there are 2 LED lights with 2 modes of lighting. In the bathroom we have a washing machine, a high quality sink and a corner bath, which is a very rare thing in Batumi. There is also a mirror with backlight and a hygienic shower. In corridor we can see numerous integrated hooks and a banquet, 2 cupboards for clothes and shoe racks. The building has a natural gas supply and the apartment has a high-quality internet connection. The cleaning takes place regularly. The building has an elevator, there is a free parking lot in front of the building and an underground parking. There is still an opportunity to obtain an individual parking place in the underground parking. And in conclusion, the price for this awesome apartment is just $72,000. The pricing is actual for the beginning of March 2026. The apartment is being sold without any agents and intermediaries, directly from the owner. I guarantee the transparency of the deal and I am ready to provide all additional information on request. If you are interested in purchasing this apartment, all contacts are provided in description to this video.